Hello, hungry people. Ever found yourself hearing a stomach grumble noise? You're hangry. You're sick of the same old fast food fillers as they're going up in price and don't do anything. You've even spent your hard-earned money at restaurants but gotten cold food and bad service. Or it comes to your table and the food's hot, but it's still bland like it's just been reheated out of a freezer. Some of us want to cook, but with family, stress, work, sometimes we need meal inspiration. And others need a guide to learn to do meal prep and cook, but without feeling overwhelmed. Well, no more. We're here to teach you affordable and tasty at-home meals that you can make while shockingly saving money in your budget. We're BnT, and we'll teach you how to learn to love cooking. But hold the channel, we've got something hot in the oven. Are we back? We're trying to teach cooking lessons here. That's right, cooks. Audio-visual lessons which will teach you how to make all of these great recipes while saving you tons of money and learning a new skill so you can feed yourself and or your family with delicious flavors that you just can't get from takeout or any other places.
Okay, that's enough. All of that looks mouth-watering. I'm more than inspired. I'm ready to cook. Let's see what we've got here. Scrolling and browsing, we've got categories and ooh, a search bar. Wonder if I can just search for turkey bake. No, scratch that. Before that asparagus goes bad, let's see if they have anything. Oh, nice, they do, and it looks good. And got turkey bacon. Let's try it. Beautiful picture. Instructions, video, lesson. That's it? No long story? Great. Print, pin to Pinterest, and rate. CCS members can add any recipe to a custom shopping list and or recipe collection.
Don't arrange for a cooking class and pay $150 just for one recipe or $39 digitally per device. Why don't you get it all? Learn to get confidence in the kitchen with our forever growing meal inspiration, as we'll always be adding to our digital library. Learn to cook with natural ingredients that you pick. This will be more healthier and you choose what your family eats.
Cooking and baking with or for your loved ones keeps you connected and creates countless memories. Join our food and life-loving community and gain a valuable life skill. Get cooking and baking with BnT. Thanks for watching.